Hi dear student, good morning. Today we continue our topic or chapter division. Okay. In this class we have to discuss story problems related with division. Okay. Our first question, first story problem. 60 flags were distributed equally among 10 schools. How many flags? 60 flags. How many? 60. Total number of flags equal to 60. Okay. 60 flags were distributed equally. That means division. Distributed equally means division. Okay. Equally among how many schools? 10 schools. How many schools? 10 schools. Okay. 60 flags were distributed. Distribute means distributed equally among 10 schools. Okay. 60 flags distributed equally among 10 schools. We have to find how many flags were given to each school. That means how many flags get each school. Oru school in etra flags out of 60. Okay. Here we have to divide 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 10. Okay. Here we have to use multiplication table of 10. Yes, all of you know multiplication table of 10. It is very easy table. Yes. How many tens in 60? 1 10, 10. 2 tens are 20. 3 tens are 30. 4 tens are 40. 5 tens are 50. 6 tens are 60. That means 6 tens. 6 tens contained in 60. That means each school got how many flags? 6 flags. How many flags? 6 flags. Each school got 6 flags. Okay. All of you clear? Who can find the answer? Yes, here given total number of flags 60. Then number of schools 10. Our question, how many flags get to each school? Okay. Each school means here 10 schools have. Okay. In 10 school, oru school inum etra flags kittum. Okay. Here we have to divide. How? Here divide using divide. As here given distributed equally. Distributed, this is the keyword. Okay, distributed equally, that means division. Okay, so 60 divided by 10 is equal to 6. That means each school got how many flags? 6 flags. Okay, first question. Okay, right. First write today first write heading story problems. Then write first question. Then answer. Okay, right. It's our second question. Second word problem. 30 plants are planted in 5 rows. 30 plants are planted in 5 rows. Here, what is the total number of plants? 30. 30 plants are planted in 5 rows such that each row has the same number of plants. Same number of plants. Same number of plants. Here, same number of plants means here using the keyword of what? Division. Okay. Here that is one keyword what? Planted in 5 rows such that each row has the same number of plants. Okay. Here 30 plants. Okay. 30 plants. 5 rows. One first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Okay. ഈ 5 റോസിലായിട്ട് ഈ 30 പ്ലാന്റ്സ് പ്ലാന്റ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കണം, നട്ടു വെക്കണം. ഓക്കെ. Then we have to find the number of plants in each row. Then each row contains how many plants? ഈ ഓരോ റോയിലും എത്ര പ്ലാന്റ്സ് വീതമുണ്ട്? Okay. Here Here we use which operation? As division. Okay. Each row contains how many plants? Okay. Here total number of plants divided by number of rows. How many number of rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. Okay. So 30 divided by 5. How many 5s in 30? How many 5s? Yes, 1 5 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are what? 30. 6 5s are 30. That means each row contains how many plants? Each row contains 6 plants. Each row contains 6 plants. Okay. That means first row contains 6 plants. Second row contains 6 plants. Third row also contains 6 plants. Fourth row have 6 plants. And fifth row also have 6 plants. Okay. So add all these. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. What is the total number of plants? As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6. 5 times 6. That is equal to 30. Okay. So, what? Each number of the, each rows contains how many plants? 6 plants only. Okay. Okay. Here we have to take total number of plants divided by number of rows. Why here take number of rows? Yes, here given 5 rows such that each row has the same number of plants. Each row has the same, that is distributed equally. Distributed equally. This is the keyword of that division. Okay. Same number of plants. Okay. So divided by 5. Okay. So we get answer 6 plants. Okay. All of you clear? Yes. Right. First write question, then answer. Okay. Right. As next one question, write the division fact of the given story problem. Okay, write the division fact. Mother had 15 bananas. How many bananas mother had? 15 bananas. She distributed them equally. Distributed them equally. That means what? Division. Okay. She distributed them equally among how many children? 5 children. Okay, among 5 children. Mother had 15 bananas. Mother had 15 bananas. She distributed them equally among 5 children. Or question, how many bananas will each child get? How many bananas? That. Here we have to find each child get how many bananas. Okay. So here we have to find division answer. Okay. So total number of bananas equally divided into 5 equal parts. Okay. So 50 divided by 5. How many 5s in 15? 1 5 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Okay. So answer 3. Okay. That means each child get 3 bananas. Okay. This is the division fact. This is the division fact of the given story problem. Okay. If you clear our question, write the division fact. Okay. Mother had 15 bananas. She distributed them equally among 5 children. Then our question, how many bananas will each child get? How many bananas will get? 3 bananas. Okay. How many bananas will get? 3 bananas. Our division fact is equal to 50 divided by 5 is equal to 3. All of you clear? Yes. Write question. Okay, first write heading, write the division fact, then write first question and answer. Right. Next question. Write the division fact of 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, here multiplication fact given. Okay, what is the division fact of 8 into 0 equal to 0? Okay, first 8 division 0 is equal to 0. Is it correct? No. Okay, why? Why? Here divided by 0. Okay, for writing my division fact, these two numbers are what? Yes, non-zero numbers. Okay, then we get 2 division fact. Okay, here so second number is 0. Is it not possible? Okay, then 2 numbers, second option 2 numbers 0, third option 2 numbers 0. Here first number 0, second number non-zero number. Okay, this is possible. Okay, 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0 possible, but 8 divided by 0 is not possible. Here divided by 0 means no sharing there, no sharing, no equally sharing. Okay, okay, that means here division not happened. Okay, so answer 0 divided by 8 equal to 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0. This is the division fact of 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, all of you clear? This is the correct and these are wrong answers. Okay, here have no division, but why here comes 0? Okay, all of you clear? Yes, right answer. First write question number 2. Okay, write the division fact. 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Answer 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0. This is the division fact of 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, clear? Right. Next question. Write the division fact of 9 wheels all together. 3 wheels for a tricycle. How many tricycles? 9 wheels all together. Here 9 wheels have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 wheels are here. 3 wheels for a tricycle. One tricycle etra wheels are? 3 wheels. Okay. How many tricycles? Okay. First 3 wheels take for one bicycle, then second bicycle, then third bicycle. Okay, so how many bicycle? 3 bicycle. Very simple. Okay, that means total number of wheels, that is that 9 divided by number of wheels in one tricycle. How many? 3. Okay, that means 9 divided by 3. How many 3s in 9? 1, 3, 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 3 tricycles. This is the division fact of the given statement. Okay, clear? 9 wheels all together. 3 wheels for a tricycle. How many tricycles here meet? Okay, that is the question. Here one statement given. We have to write division fact of the given. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, clear? Let's write. Draw these pictures also. Okay, then write answer. If you complete, then write your homework question. Homework question is some story problems. Page number 94. Page number homework. Page number 94. Page number 94. Question number 1. Exercise 5H. Okay. Exercise 5H. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 4. Question number 1, 2, 4. Okay, this question with the answers write in your notebook also. Okay, this homework question with answers. Okay, 3 story problems. Okay, these 3 story problems with the answers also write in your notebook. Okay, page number 94, exercise 5H. Question number 1, 2, 4. Okay, question number 1 to 4. Okay, all of you understand today's class? Shall I wind up the class? Okay, now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay, thank you.